Good morning, students. How are you? I hope all of you are fine. So, this is for class 8, square and square roots. I have already told you some basic concepts. And now I have chosen three questions, three very important questions for you people. They are very important and they used to come in your examinations also always. So, the first question I have chosen is to find the square root of this given number by division method. See. 4, 6, 7, 8, 5, 6. 4, 6, 7, 8, 5, 6. We have to find the square root by division method. Now, this is the way to write, and the first thing is to the pairing from this side. Now, this is 46. So, 5 5s are 25, 6 6s are 36, 7 7s are 49. And 49 is 4 more than 45, so we will take 6 6 are 36. 6 6 are 36. 6 minus 6 0, 4 minus 3 1, and this 6 will come here. 6 plus 6 12. Now this 78 will come here. Now, so what number we should increase in front of 12 to get less than 1078 or equal to 1078. So now we will take 8. What we will get? See, 8 8 just 64, 8 2 just 16 and 6 22, 8 1 just 8 and 2 10. This is just less than 1078 and not exceeding 1078. And after taking 9, if we take 9, it will be more than 1078. So we have taken 8. Now 8 minus 4 4, 7 minus 2 5, 0 and 0. 8 plus 8 16. We need to add this. 8 plus 8 16, 2 plus 1 3 and this. Now we have 56. Now just after 136, which number we should increase to get this? Now listen carefully. We have 6 here and we get 6 after doing the square of a number whose unit digit is 4, like 4 4 is 16, or 14 14 is 196. So 4 may be increased here. So let us try once. 4 4. What we will get? Let us see. 4 4 is 16. 4 6 is 24 and 125. 4 3 is 12 and 2 14. 4 1 is 4 plus 1 5. So all cancelled, and that is the answer 684. That means the square root of 4 6 7 8 5 6 will be 684, and this will be our answer. For checking, if we do the square of 684, we will get this 4 6 7 8 5 6. Okay, so this is the first question we have done. Now let us come to the second question, and the second question and the third question, they are very important. The questions are, what number should be subtracted from? What number should be subtracted from this 16,160 to get a perfect square? That means 16,160 is not a perfect square. Something is lacking. That means whether it is more or whether it is less. So what number should be subtracted? यानी कि क्या हम minus कर दें, यानी कि थोड़ा ज़्यादा है. Let us do it. So first thing we will do 16160 by division method, pairing, and this one is alone. So 1 1 is a 1, cancel. This one will be added, 1 plus 1 2. Now 61. So we will increase 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. If we increase 3, it will be more than that. So 2. 2 plus 2 4, and this is 2. 11 minus 4 7, and 5 minus 4 1. Now we have 6 0. So what number we should increase? Let us try 7. 7 7s are 49. 7 4s are 28 and 4 32. 7 2s are 14 and 3 17. Okay, 1760. This is less than that. So 10 minus 9 1, and 5 minus 2 3. This will be cancelled. See, this is the remainder. If this 31 was not there in this 16,160, it would have been a perfect square. So we will subtract 31 from 16,160 to make it a perfect square. If we subtract this, let us get what the number we are getting. 10 minus 1 9, 5 minus 3 2, 1 6 1. So 16,129 is a perfect square, and the number will be what? This 127. We can check it. If we do the square of 127, we will get 16,129. Okay. Now the last question we have is, what number should be added? The first one was what number should be subtracted, and now we have what number should be added. Listen, once again the same procedure. 2945 square root by division method. So we will write 5 5s are 25, and this will be 4. This 5 will come here. 5 plus 5 10, and now 45. So by what number it will go? Let us check it. It will go by 4. So 4 4 are 16. 4 0 4, and now 4. So we will get 15 minus 6 9, 3 minus 1 2. This 29 is the remainder. But now the question is, what number should be added? क्या हम इसमें ऐड कर दें कि परफेक्ट स्क्वायर हो जाए? इसका मतलब है कि 54 का स्क्वायर करने पे, आफ्टर डूइंग द स्क्वायर ऑफ 54, it is less than 2945. But it is less than, this 2945 is less than the square of 55. 55 square will be more than this. So square of 55 will be 5 5s are 25, 5 6 are 30. This is the square of 55. So 3025 minus 2945, and this will be the answer. 5 minus 5 0, 12 minus 4 8, and this is 9. 9 minus 9 0. We will get yes 0. Okay. So now we have 80. So 80 should be added. 80 should be added. Let us check once again. 5 minus 5 0, and this 12 minus 4 8, and 9 minus 9 0. Yes. Okay. Now 80 should be added to make it a perfect square. So let us check it again. 2945 plus 80 will be 5 12 0 3. Okay. This 3025 is a perfect square. So the questions you will get in your examination: what number should be added, what number should be subtracted. If the question is asking for subtraction, it is very easy. Simply the remainder will be subtracted. But the question is asking for what number should be added, then the question is different. So remainder is 29, and the number comes here 54. This is the square of this number is just less than this number. So we will get the square of just preceding number. Sorry, exceeding number. Okay, the successor of this will be more than this number. Successor of 54 is 55. So square of 55 minus this given number, we will get the answer. Okay. One more very interesting thing I would like to tell you. See, you all should know how to do the square of any number. If we have a 2-digit number, it's just a fun. If we have a 2-digit number like 24, and we have to get the square of 24, listen very carefully. It is very easy. It is just a practice, and you should practice to get the square of any number very easily and very fast. See, if we have 24 and square of 24 we need to get. First of all, what we will do is square of 2. Square of 2 is 4. So 2 2s are 4. Square of 4 is 16. Are you getting me? Square of 2 is 4. I have written 0 4. Square of 4 is 16. I have written 16. And see, here we have 2. Here we have 4. And what we have to do? We have to do square. So this is 2. We will get 2 4s are 8. 8 2s are 16. So this is 16. This 16 you will add here after leaving one number. Add 6. 6 plus 1 7. 4 plus 1 5. This is 576 is the square of 24. Once again, please check. Let us take another example. 54 square. I have told you this number 5 this number 4 and what 2. 5 4s are 20, 22s are 40. Are you getting me? सबसे पहला काम ये 5 ये 4 और यहाँ 2 है, इस 2 को लिखा, सबको मल्टीप्लाई करना है. 5 4s are 20, 22s are 40. Now this 5 we have, square of 5 we know 25, square of 4 we know 16, and this total 40 we have to add after leaving one term. Now add this 6, 1, 5, 4, 9 and 2. 2, 9, 1, 6 is the square of 54. This is the square of 24. 576. एक क्वेश्चन और करते हैं. ऐसे किसी भी नंबर का स्क्वायर करना जिसके पास 2 डिजिट्स हो. वी हैव अ शॉर्टकट. एग्जांपल वी टेक 74. लिसन केयरफुली. 74. Now we have 7, we have 4, 7 and 4, and what we have to do is square. So square 7 4s are 28, 28 2s are 56. Okay. Now we have 7, 7 7s are 49. We have 4, 4 4s are 16. Now we have to add this 56. 56 will be added. 6, 6 plus 1 7, 5 9 14, and 4 plus 1 5. So square of 74 is equal to 5476. Okay. Thank you students. Please practice all these 3 questions and practice this one also. This is very important and very useful for us. Thank you so much. See you soon.